did I do to deserve it? I didn't even get one last kiss from you. Oh baby, God took your love from me. Need an angel so free. I need to feel your hands all over me. I need to feel you kissing me. Need to feel you hold me. I need to feel your touch. 'Cause I miss your love so much. And I can't keep on living this way. I need you here with me. Why could he take you away from me? Time for me to tell you I love you. And I'm standing over your grave. No, I'll never hear your voice again. Why did you leave me? Why couldn't you just stay here? Because my world is nothing without you. And I don't know what to do with myself. I would have given you everything just to make you happy, just to hear you say that you love me one last time. I go to hell and back over and over again just to prove to you how much I need you here. There is nothing that I wouldn't do. I die for you. There's no doubt that if I could take your place in heaven, I would die for you. Yes, I will. If I could give up my life just to see the tears in your eyes. I can't stand to see you cry. And it's hard for me to tell you I love you. As I'm standing over your grave, I'll never hear your voice again. Why did you leave me? Why couldn't you just stay, babe? Cause my world is nothing without you. And I don't know what to do with myself. Don't know what to do with myself. Just can't stand looking at these pictures on my shelf. When it was just 1 week ago, still staring to that picture. There's just one thing that I wanna know. Why wanna hurt me so bad? To be missing you, baby, I'm missing you. Yeah, I'm missing you. Yes, I do. I love to take you away from me. 'Cause I love you so much, baby. I just can't go on, baby. I love you.